Hi, it's Jandy Autry, and if you've got a minute, we can make this. Ever tried this combination? Peach and blueberry pie. It's a winner, especially a la mode. Here's what you'll need. Peaches, frozen or fresh. Blueberries, frozen or fresh. Some sugar and pie shells. I use a store-bought deep dish. Take one pie crust, sprinkle with sugar, and bake for about 15 minutes. That's so the bottom crust stays crispy. Add 8 cups of peaches to the first pot and 2 pints of blueberries to the second. Then add sugar to each, 1/4 to 1/2 cup depending on the sweetness of the fruit. Stir the peaches and cook until soft and thick. Do the same with the blueberries. When the bottom crust is cooked to a golden brown, you're ready to assemble. Reserve some fruit for the top of the pie, then start with a layer of peaches, then the berries, and build until your fruit is used up. Take the second unbaked pie shell, lay it over the top, and pinch the edges. Then add your fruit on top and bake for about 25 minutes. Peach berry pie, to die for, especially with a nice big scoop of vanilla ice cream. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.